do a before for JTR.Spartacus here on the stock tires, and then Monday we'll do an after with the 37. I'll report back on any rubbing or any issues.
Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Headed out to Macumsey Automotive to get these Mickey Thompsons mounted today. 37-inch tires, getting it going on. JTR.Spartacus. So one of the things I was not crazy about with this Gladiator is the 33-inch tires. They look pretty cool, but they are not big enough for this long wheelbase. So going 37s today. Here we are, Macumsey Automotive, picking up JTR.Spartacus with the new 37s on it. I see it peeking around the corner there. Let's go check it out.
Some bitch is jacked up, eh?
It is. Quick first drive on 37s. Got about 38, 39 PSI in them. Those are rumble strips. Overall feels higher center. Feels a little bit rougher. Alright, here's a rubbing update. At full lock, I'm just hitting the sway bar and I'm coming really close to the bottom of that skid plate over here. It seems to only rub when I turn left. I'm not exactly sure why, but it's pretty close back here too, but I don't seem to actually be hitting, at least on the road. First rain test for the Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ P3. So far so good, only been driving a mile or two. But they seem to be just fine on this sort of wet, slippery stuff. Even whenever some leaves, it was fine. So aggressive, kind of hybrid pattern on the tread. Seems to be doing just fine in the rain. So I'll report back on various conditions for these new tires. JTR.Spartacus out. Thanks. Alright, so still raining, highway tests, about 60 miles an hour in 6th gear. So check it out. Listen for the sound, it's not too bad. Power's okay. It is a little deficit. Normally I could just cruise at around 2,000 RPMs or so. I'm a little under that, and I'm losing some speed on this hill, on this grade. So this is a place I drive all the time, so I know that there's definitely some power deficit now. I'm kind of lugging in 6th and just barely making it up that grade. So probably going to be a regear in the future, but for right now it's at least acceptable, and I can always downshift. Alright, JTR.Spartacus out. See you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.